Welcome to Fashion Fairy. Subscribe to receive more of these awesome videos from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Fairy. In today's video, we'll be seeing about how to style your sarees with silver jewelry. So let's get into this video. So friends, you can try going on with amazing and beautiful silver jewelry choker as they give you a beautiful look with your sarees. You can try wearing your silver jewelry with your cotton or linen sarees too. So friends, you can try wearing the silver jewelry to parties, farewells and for get-togethers and for a small brunch too. So friends, you can try going on with beautiful and amazing beads, gems or stones in various colors like pink, blue, yellow, green, orange, red and purple. You can even try going on with beautiful and amazing designs of peacock and elephant or different kinds of unique designs too. So friends, if you like this video, remember to subscribe to Fashion Fairy and also remember to leave a comment below in the comment box. Remember to check out the link below in the description box to buy similar types of these beautiful and amazing sarees and silver jewelry too. So bye friends.